Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can use Excel as a beginner, so let's get started. First up, let's talk about fonts and text formatting. You can easily change the font style, size, make your text bold, italic, or underline it. This helps organize your sheet and highlight important information. Next, we have alignment and text wrapping. If your text doesn't fit in one cell, click on Wrap Text so it stays inside. You can also use Merge and Center to make neat headings across multiple columns. Another common use is number formatting. Excel lets you quickly change numbers into currency, percentages, or dates. Just select your cells and pick the format you want from the Home tab. Now, let's look at basic formulas. Use equal sign sum to add numbers, equal sign average to find the mean, and you can also multiply or divide with simple formulas. Excel calculates everything instantly. Finally, a quick one charts. Select your data, go to Insert, and choose a chart like column, line, or pie. This makes your data easy to understand at a glance. And that's it. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can unprotect an Excel sheet if you've forgotten the password, so let's get started. First, make a backup copy of your file. This step is important because we'll be editing the file structure. Next, rename your Excel file extension from XLSX to zip. Open this zip file with a program like WinRAR or 7-zip, then go into the Excel Worksheets folder. Here, you'll see XML files for each sheet in your workbook. Find the sheet that's locked, open its XML file with Notepad, and search for the word Sheet Protection. Delete that entire tag, then save the file. Now, replace the edited version back into the zip folder and rename the extension from it back to XLSX. When you reopen the file in Excel, the sheet will be unlocked and you can edit it again. From there, you can reapply protection with a new password you'll remember. And that's it. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can add a scroll bar in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. A scroll bar is a handy tool when you want to quickly adjust values, like increasing or decreasing numbers without typing them in. Here's how to set it up. First, go to the Developer tab. If you don't see it, right-click the ribbon, choose Customize Ribbon, and enable Developer. Next, click on Insert in the Developer tab, and under Form Controls, select Scroll Bar. Now, draw the scroll bar anywhere on your sheet. To link it with a cell, right-click the scroll bar and choose Format Control. In the dialog box, you can set the minimum value, maximum value, and incremental changes. Then, in the Cell Link box, pick the cell you want the scroll bar to control. Click OK, and now as you drag the scroll bar, the linked cell will update automatically. This makes it easy to build interactive dashboards, adjust budgets, or test different scenarios with just a slide. And that's it. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can calculate totals in Excel using formulas and functions. So let's get started. Suppose you have a list of products with their quantities and unit costs, and you want to calculate the total for each item and then a grand total at the bottom. To begin, click in the first cell where you want the total. Type an equals sign, then select the quantity cell, type the asterisk, and select the cost cell. Press Enter, and Excel will calculate the total for that row. Instead of typing formulas for every line, use the fill handle that's small square at the corner of the cell. Drag it down, and Excel will automatically copy the formula for all rows, adjusting for each line. Now, to calculate a grand total, click in the last cell and use the sum function. Type equals sign sum, then highlight all the totals in that column and press Enter. Excel adds them all up instantly. This way, you've built both row totals and a final total for your entire dataset, saving a lot of manual work. And that's it. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can split a table horizontally in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. Sometimes, when you have a long table, it can be useful to split it into two smaller sections side by side, so you can compare data more easily. Here's how you can do it. First, copy the part of the table that you want to move to the right. Select the rows, press Ctrl+C, then click the cell where you want the new section to begin, and press Ctrl+V to paste it. Next, adjust the column widths so both sections are visible without overlapping. If you'd like to keep the formatting consistent, you can use the Format Painter on the Home tab to copy the style from the original table. Finally, you may want to freeze panes or use the Split Window feature under the View tab. This helps you scroll both parts independently while keeping headers visible. Now your single table is split horizontally into two smaller tables, making it easier to read and analyze side by side. And that's it. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can calculate the expiry date of an item in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. Here I have a simple table. The first column lists the items, the second shows the purchase dates, and the third has the number of months until expiry. Now let's calculate the expiry date. In the expiry date column, type =@, then select the purchase date as the start date, add a comma, and select the months column. Close the bracket and press Enter. Excel will return the expiry date. Drag the formula down with autofill to apply it to all items. Next, let's calculate how many days are left before expiry. In the next column, type =expiry date today and hit Enter. This subtracts today's date from the expiry date, giving the remaining days. If the result shows as a date, don't worry, Excel stores dates as numbers. Just change the format from date to number, and you'll see the days left. Use autofill again to apply it to the whole list. And that's it. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can use the VLOOKUP function in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. Imagine you have a table of cookie names with their prices on the left and another list where you need to fill in the prices. Instead of typing them one by one, we can use VLOOKUP short for vertical lookup. Here's how. In the cell where you want the result, type $VLOOKUP. The first thing Excel asks for is the lookup value, in this case, the cookie name, so select that cell. Add a comma. Next, Excel wants the table array, that's the table with both the cookie names and prices. Highlight the entire table and add another comma. Now, enter the column index number. Since names are in the first column and prices in the second, type 2. Add a comma. Finally, Excel asks if you want an approximate match or an exact match. For exact matches, type false, close the bracket, and press Enter. And just like that, Excel instantly returns the cookie price, no manual typing needed. And that's it. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can create a pivot table in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. Here I have a table with order information, and I want to quickly summarize it to see the total quantity for each order. To do this, select a cell where you want your pivot table, then go to the Insert tab and click on Pivot Table. In the Create Pivot Table window, select your data range, for example, a 1 to F16, and click OK. Excel will generate a blank pivot table on a new sheet. Now, let's add fields. Tick the boxes for order ID and quantity. By default, Excel will try to sum everything, but to display each order individually, drag order ID to the rows area and leave quantity in the values area. Your pivot table now shows each order ID as a row with the total quantity beside it. You can even rename the row labels to something clearer, like order ID, for a cleaner look. And just like that, you've created a pivot table to summarize your data in seconds. And that's it. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can use the sum function in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. The sum function is one of the most useful math functions in Excel. It allows you to quickly add numbers in your spreadsheet, whether arranged vertically in a column or horizontally in a row. For example, in column O we have a list of numbers. While you could add them manually by typing =, a 2 plus, a 3 plus, a 4 plus, a 5 plus, a 6, and press Enter. Excel will instantly calculate the total. And that's it. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can change the color of a pie chart in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. First, enter your data in Excel and highlight it. Then go to the Insert tab, click on Pie Chart, and select the Basic Pie Chart option. Your chart will be generated instantly. Now, to change the overall color scheme, click on the chart. At the top, select Change Colors. From here, you can pick between colorful or monochromatic themes and choose the style that best fits your needs. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.